Okay. First you have to fix the machine. Okay. After this is cylinder. When you are fixing the cylinder, this rod you will keep on 23 mm. When you will keep here on 23 mm, you will cut and you will fix from here. After this is the first part. You have to fix first this type of screw. This one close रख बाबा सर ये दे focus रख close रख. This one you have to fix like this. After you will fix in this one here. Like this type. Like this type you will fix. After the second one you will fix like this. Like this type. ये उठा के थे ना
ये देता हूँ
इसको नहीं मुझे पता मेरा मूड चंगा मैं बहुत चंगा मैं बड़ा चंगा
turn it please
like this.
the front side is on the other side.
मशवरे के लिए शुक्रिया अली. इसे याद रखना भाई, इसे याद रखो. चालू करो इधर से. इसे जरा हाथ रखना, जरा हाथ लगा दो. Fix like this one. After this is the screw, we will fix like this one and this one. ये ना
बराबर तो ऐसा नहीं,
थोड़ा ऊपर करो इसको. ऐसे उठाओ, ऐसे उठाओ भाई इसको थोड़ा ऊपर. नीचे क्यों आंदे है?
This is the mark where is one screw fix, and on the second mark there is a second screw.
Right. You have to fix the other one.
This arrow printed on the plate. Here we will fix both screws.
सलाम हो गया. वही ना मेनू. शाम लगो दे.
आपने फारसी बोली थी.
This now you have to fix the cylinder.
spindle.
You have to cut the spindle according to your thickness. Okay, we cut according to like this one, like here this side we also put here. Okay, after we will put here. Okay, let me follow. After this part also we cut from the here the 3 lines we leave only left only 1 line and 2 lines we cut from here. Okay, after
No problem. Same.
connect with the wire like this. After you will fix this one now this is now fixed. You have to fix this screw. You go screwdriver. And the second one. And the third one here.
This one, huh? Yeah. How much was this one? 70.
Now this is fixed. Now you will. Okay. Now you will put this one. How much is here?
How much is
Okay.
Only
Now you will
handle?
put the battery.
Complete set.
on the hand?
Only handle.
This long is 5. Fixing it.
Put it on the hand.
Okay. Now you can check from the back side.
Only handle 55.
This is now working. Okay. Even here, auto close. After manual close from the outside. You can check.
Please verify the payment.
Okay, ठीक है.
Welcome home.
Okay, save करो. Okay, press 1 hash after the configuration start. After you will come in the application from here to a smart. After you will go in the add device. Okay, after you will go in the sensors. Here sensor plus Bluetooth. Here confirm the indicator blinking. Okay, here you will see.
Please verify the payment.
لا هو في الحمرية ماسكيننا زلمة.
Okay, now next this is our the
هذا مال بوش. في مال بوش زين.
okay, now this is the configuration start. هلا
هذا الماكينة العادية راكبة وهاو. How much this one?
Hello.
This one 400.
And
Starting
small.
the network.
This all same
The network.
price, huh?
The difference is this one without card, this one with card. Password, card, number.
And same price. أعرف حتى أنا بصمتي.
And this one, this 7 cm or 7 inch?
Okay, now this one done.
Hello.
وهذا زين اشتغل. هذا.
أيوه أنت مو
Okay.
اللون معك.
Now anybody bulb from the outside?
Gold you don't have, no?
Hello.
You will see notification.
These two.
أيوه أيوه.
Last how much this one?
Notification on me to setting for them.
300 not okay?
300.
I will buy ثلاثة.
Please verify the face.
Now you will open. Check that this is open. Same like this. Okay, stop.
Must.
After new user, lead user, you want to add the user, press 1.
Operation.
Register here on press 1. Here you will enter the 6-digit code. After will be hash and the added 1 2 3 4 5 6 hash.
Please enter again.
1 2 3 4 5 6 hash.
Operation succeed.
So you cannot
Now-
open from
Please verify the face directly at the camera.
Now you can adjust the face. Here the face will be registered. Simply, we want to add the finger. Same like
normal door.
here new user.
It was earlier same
Operation.
same this one.
Please enter
Here
So
my
the same fixing. Open.
Operation
Fix.
failed. Please verify the enter the secret.
I want two. How much I see?
Welcome home. Password. Please verify one finger. Please welcome
first you have to register the face after coming the finger option. After coming the card option.
one.
Okay.